the express 12.625 base 10 in base 2. So I told you that from base 10 to base 2 is divisions. And I told you that when it is having points, you are going to apply the formula I give you. But if you look at this one is not 0 points. This one is not 0 points. Actually, this one we are going to break it down to 2. Because we have, how are we going to break it down to 2? That is 12. The first one is 12 base 10 to base 2. So the remaining is going to be 0.625 base 10 to base 2. You see it now? That's 12 base 10 to base 2. And the remaining is what? 0.625 base 10 to base 2. Now, if you take less, like I told you, from base 10 to base 2 is by division. So that means, let's do this one first. 12, and anything you have in it. That's 12, 2 in 12, that's 6, and that's 0. 2 in 6, that's 3, and that's 0. 2 in 3, 1, and that's 1. 2 in 1, 0, and that's 1. So, for this one, we have 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. For the first one, for the 12, 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. Now, let's do this second one. This one gives us 1, 1, 0, 0, base 2. Now for the second one, we have 0.625. I've told you, when you have it like this, because of the nature of points, you are converting from base 10 to base 2, you can use that formula I gave you, that is times whatever you have here. 2 times 5, 10. Right, 0, keep 1. 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, that is 5. 2 times 6, 12. So you write it 2. So the one that is in the front, you put points, you write the 1. So you use this 2 again. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5, 10. The 1, keep it 2 times 2, 4, plus 1, 5. No, it doesn't remain. Whenever it doesn't remain, write 0. Now use that 2 again. That 2 again. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5, 10. The one that remains, you drop it in. So that means you are starting from, you are writing it from 0.10, 0.101, 101. So this one gives us 0.101. So how will you now write the answer? So the first one gives us 1100, just a point 101 is 2. So that's our answer. That's our answer. Put the post. Convert So when you have something like this, you convert. Don't forget, from base 10 to base 2 is by division. Base 10 to any base is by division. How are we going to do something like this? Just pick up a calculator. See, 8 times 9. I think 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 9 is 72. 72 plus 7 is 79. So you have 79. So just say 79 divided by 8. Divided by 8. That one is going to give us what? 9.875. So that means this one has turned into decimal. That is 9.875 base 10 to 9.875 base 10 to base 2. I think I've told us this already, that from base 10 to base 2 is by division, and these things can be divided into, can be broken down into two. This one, because it's not 0, this one, that means 9. First one is 9 base 10 to base 2, and the second one is what? 0.875 base 10 to base 2. As you can see it, 9 base 10 to base 2, 0.875 base 10 to base 2. Like the one we just did now. So pick this one first. Do this by division. So divide by whatever that you have. 3 naira is 4, remainder 1. 2, remainder 0. 1, remainder 0. 0, remainder 1. Because 2 cannot go in 1, that's why we have 0. When it cannot go, we put 0. The remainder will now be the number that is here. So you pick your answer from the down, that will be 1, 0, 0, 1, base 2. So for us to now do the second part, which is this, so we are going to apply the first answer. That means the first answer for this one is 1, 0, 0, 1, base 2. So let's do this second one. I told you when you are converting from base 10 to base 2 is division truly, but when you have decimal like it, so you apply the formula, the method I gave you. That will be 0.875. That will be times 2. 2 times 5, 10. 1, 27, 14 plus 1, 15. Keep 1. 2 times 8, 16 plus 1, 17. So the 1, drop it there. Do that two again. And 0 is 0. 2 times 5, 10. Keep 1. 27, 14 plus 1, 15. Don't do 1 here. So you use it 2 again. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 5, 10. The 1. You drop it there. So the second one gives us I told you start writing it for me. 0.111. Now, how we started from the 9, 7, 9 over 8, 9 whole number 7 over 8 is 10 to base 2. To base 2, we 8 times 9, 72 plus that is 79. Divide 79 by 8, so we have 9.875 base 10 to base 2. And after we did this one 9 base 10 to base 2, and we got 1001 base 2 by division like one we did. And this one we did 0.875 base 10 to base 2. We got this, that is 0.111 base 2. So our answer is going to be what? 1001.111 base 2. So thank you so much. That's going to be the end of our conversion number basis. So in case you have any problems, any questions about it, just drop it under the comments. Please help us to subscribe, subscribe, likes, and put your comments and share these videos, and press the notification button so that anytime the new video is being dropped, you'll be able to know. Please, thank you so much.